and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. In today's video, I am doing a video on the backdrop, and also I want to review a package that I got in the mail. This package is like a full set for your backdrop, and here's the package right here. It has pom-poms and some of the tassels, strings to tie your tassels, and also these circles with letters and flowers. If I'm not mistaken, if I am, I will correct myself a little bit later in the video. But what I read and what I've been told, that these circles, they have 108 circles in here with letters and flowers mixed in. So you can change your banner basically for any party you want, like celebrate, congrats, welcome, happy birthday. So you can just purchase this package and reuse it for multiple parties. I think it's a really good idea if you're not a really crafty person, but you want to have a really pretty party. So I am really excited to see how all this will look on the backdrop and what we can do with it. I am interested in how it's not made, but what quality is that, because I didn't open, I just opened the outside package but not the inside of the package. So I'm really excited. If you want to see what is happening, what I'm doing, how I'm doing this, and how this or where you can purchase this package, then stay tuned and let's go. All right, so let's unpack this package and see what's happening inside. Okay, so we have instructions here, so it'll be easier to make your tassels and your pom-poms, so that's really nice. These letters, they are packed, well, I love the idea that everything packed in separate bags. Let's unpack these beautiful letters, hopefully beautiful. Let's see. Ooh, oh, okay. Okay, I'm loving this. I'm loving this a lot. Look at this. You have multiple color of flowers. Okay, I didn't think I would like this as much as I do love it now. Look at this. I absolutely love the style of it. It's so cute. It is very stylish right now because all the events, they're trying to go into events with a lot of greenery. So this is like perfect. Look at this. How many A's? 4 A's. 4, 5, 6 A's. No, 5 A's. And look at this. All of the letters are so beautiful. I am actually really excited. Really excited. Okay, letters are beautiful. I am happy. Now they have strings, I am guessing, for the banners. They have, looks like they have separate or different size of pom-poms, large size, and then they have medium size pom-poms, the same colors, and the same colors small size pom-poms. And these are the tassels. Ooh, they have strings and everything you need. Okay, I am honestly, so far, I am really impressed with all this package over here. Okay, I am going to start with my pom-poms. I do have my instructions here. Not that I would need the instructions, but who knows, just lay over there. Okay, and I'm gonna start with my large pom-pom. So I picked large, medium, and small pom-poms to make with you guys, just to see what's gonna happen. So they have this string tied over here. Okay, before tying, I'm gonna fold it in half to see a correct middle over here, just pressing a little bit in the middle, and I'm going to tie it. We would need to fluff this up. I would love to have a long string, just because I can hang this pom-pom later on. And let's just fluff it up. layer by layer, really gently, because it can rip, knowing the tissue paper. So I do fluff my pom-pom just on one side, leaving this side flat because I am going to pin this to my fabric and I want it to lay flat against my fabric. So let's finish the other side. How the half pom-pom looks. I like it. It's very it's pretty full and it's pretty easy to fluff this pom-pom up. The tissue paper is pretty durable and I like about that, because some of the tissue papers, when you pull, it can rip easily. This one I didn't even rip any of the layers, so that's a good point to this pom-pom. Now let's go to our tassels. Let's unpack them. We have a string to, I assume, tie, not tie, but hang and tie your tassels with. And these strings, I never use them. Whenever I get tassels or anything with these things, I never use them, but we'll see. So, okay, so there is 4 mint tassels. That's what I see here. So I'm assuming it's gonna be 4 per color. It is 4 per color, 4 tassels per color, so that's nice. Let's go to our instructions, because this is a little bit different from what I usually do. So we're gonna follow the instructions. They're telling us to lay this down flat. And then they're showing us that we need to roll these tassels just like this. And then fold it in half, just like this. Okay, let's fix these little hairs. Okay, looks pretty cute. And then we need to, that's what they're telling us, to tie with these gold guys over here that I never use. Okay, so I'm pinching here. And then they're telling us to make a hole over here for the string to go through. So let's do this. Here is your tassel. It looks pretty cute. I love my tassels to be full. I wish it would be a little bit more fuller, but this is totally cute because when you going to put more tassels, it's gonna be fluffier and it's gonna look fluffier than just one tassel. I'm done with all of the tassels and all of the pom-poms. They are all ready to be pinned on my backdrop. I want to pick out a happy birthday from all of the letters just because, why not? And I would need to string them on these white strings, and I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna add some of the flowers as well. We'll see what colors I want to use, so I'm pretty excited. Let's do this. Here are the letters. Every circle with letters and with flowers has these two holes that you can put your string through, and it's going to be easy to move, but at the same time it's going to hold good and straight as well. I love how thick these letters are. Let's put this on and see how it's going to look all together. Okay, let's get one of our strings and string this happy birthday first. For now, I'm gonna leave these four guys without a string. We'll see if we're gonna use it. To pin this, I'm going to take my pin with the pearl on top, pierce through this little string ribbon that I have my letters on, and just pin it to my fabric. Through the tassels right now, I am going to string them on this gold string, or if you have that leftover white string that from like exactly like this one, you can use that one as well. So let's string them on and we'll see what's gonna happen. And then with these tassels, I want to pin them or tie my string around a safety pin, and then take a safety pin and pin it to my fabric. What I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video of a review and unboxing type of a video. I love this set because you can do so many backdrop ideas with this set. You don't have to use pom-poms. You can just go with tassels or scratch the tassels and go with just pom-poms and add more flowers over here. I try to use everything just to show you how everything looks on a backdrop. Even this looks really cute all together. I like it a lot. I love how subtle that is. It can be used for many other parties, so I like it. I really like it. Nothing was wrong with any of the products. Everything went well. Everything stayed together. Nothing was ripped or nothing was damaged. Everything came individually packed. That's really nice as well. I pinned everything on a pin with the pearl on top, and yeah, I'm gonna try to play with some applighting for this backdrop, and I'll share a few pictures at the end of this video. Alrighty guys, so here you have it. This is my backdrop for you guys. Let me know what you think of this product. Are you interested in purchasing, or do you love the whole concept and idea of this package? I personally like it because everything is packed in one package, and you can reuse your banners so for so many parties, for so many ideas, and I like it. Quality is pretty good, and yeah, you guys, I have no complaints here. So I will link this package in the description down below. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out. What I like about this package, one more thing, that it's a really springy colors, really summery, so it would go really well with spring and summer's party as well. If you found this video helpful and interesting, if you want to see more reviews and if you want to see more unboxings, then let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below for more videos, and I hope you have a wonderful week and a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye-bye.